Hey everyone, I am here today to do a color spotlight for you on the color Laguna Blonde by John Renau, and the color code for that is FS24102S12. Boy, that's a mouthful. This is in the Ignite wig. I have a review of Ignite, so I'm not going to spend a lot of time talking about Ignite. Ignite is a fan favorite, super popular. I thought I'd try something different and get outside and show you this color completely outside and see what you think. So let's look at Laguna Blonde. This color is super beautiful, very blonde, and it is rooted. So I've said this in other videos, I am very partial to rooted colors because I am a brunette, and it really looks better to me, to my eye, because of my dark hair, and I'm used to seeing myself that way. But the other benefit of a rooted color is how it blends with your bio hair. You can see some of my bio hair here, and it matches, for the most part, the rooting. And that's a huge benefit to rooted colors for brunettes. So I'm just a fan. Let me show you this color from all sides. It is so pretty. I'm gonna take her off for you and so I can kind of talk through the color. So this is a very warm color overall, although, you know, it's got multiple things going on. So there's this very beautiful, really a lot warmer color that runs through it, and then there's this super pale blonde. So you get a warm blonde and then that pale blonde. So we've got a 24, a 102, and then the rooting is actually a 12. So it's not a super dark rooting. It's definitely looks dark compared to how light this color is, but it is not a very dark rooting. I'm gonna turn the camera a little bit, because sometimes when you get the light to play off it differently, it is so pretty. All right, let me throw her back on. So Ignite is a lace front wig with no mono features, and she is quite short in the nape. So one of the challenges I run into with Ignite myself is how short the nape is. It can sometimes, now the wind's gonna blow, it can sometimes show my bio hair at the nape, and that can be a real challenge if you go too dramatically different from your bio hair. So keep that in mind when you're looking at shorter wigs with shorter nape. It's really important that you know sort of where your limits are with a nape length. I know for me, a nape, under 2 inches, I really want to look at it, but about 1 3/4 inches, I start to be concerned that my low hairline, I have a low hairline over here, will start to show at the nape. So having some rooting will really help that. The wind is blowing my little straps and I'm afraid they're clicking. Let me tuck them. And so just keep that in mind. So when you're choosing colors, I think, you know, you can definitely go outside your natural bio hair as long as you're comfortable with it, but you do have to consider if your bio hair will show how you'll blend it. And rooting can really help that if you're darker than the main hair color. So Laguna Blonde, very blonde, quite warm. I would not consider this an ashy color at all. Even though there's some very light blonde in here, almost platinum, there's enough warmth to it that it comes across kind of neutral to warm. All right, hopefully that was helpful. I'll get a few pictures for you as well, and I think I have a few indoor pictures so you'll be able to see this in indoor light. Let me know if you guys have questions. Thanks for